Welcome back to My Yard's My Garage. I'm Bishop, your host. My yard is my garage. We're working on our 71 GMC today. We are doing the last bit of wiring. That would be the tail section. So we're going to crawl under here, use some self-tappers, follow along the frame, get to the back, and then we'll get our lights wired up, and we'll get our new 7-pull in and our new 4-pull in. So if we actually want to use this for any towing, this gentle old beast, we could do that. Let's start working on this. We're starting down here on the driver's side. Since we have some flintstoning here, we're going to go ahead and run our wiring through one of the holes along next to our lights for our dome. And we will go ahead and when we fix this and seal it up, we'll make sure we put a grommet and some RTV around there so we don't get any sort of leak throughs. But yeah, let's crawl under here and see what we got. Well, our cab rubbers look decent. Not bad. We do have a few errant wires that have been run from the front to the back to support some added lights, and not the B's. Some added side marker lights. Muffler, it doesn't look too bad. Looks like we got a single tip running out the side here. Oh, we have duals. Oh, we have duals. This is gonna sound good. So just a pair of mufflers. No resonators, no glass packs. It'll be interesting to start this to hear what it sounds like. So it looks like to me, we could probably use these frame chunks, thinner metal, to host our run all the way to the back. Let's start in on that. Oh, look at that. We can just repurpose and reuse the original carriers for the wires. All right, so we're running from under the cab along here, and we're going to follow the original wiring connectors down along the frame to the back. We've run it along the original frame rail portions, areas. Let me show you what this looks like under here and why we should not have even bothered troubleshooting this. All right, well, we have got a burly trailer frame weld in. Wow, that is solid, Jiminy. But here's our nightmare. You know, wired up to the old 7-pole, which industry standards have changed now a little bit. Yeah, so let's pull this nest out of here and just refine this slightly. What do you think? All right, we're just running it up and over the axle. Because it looks like that's where some of the other wires... Wow, that is a really giant rear end in this. Oh, you want to see the big rear end? All right. That thing is big, man. Whew. Oh, always wear your safety glasses. Did I come over the wrong way? Oh, I don't want that near the spring. That's a movie piece. Oh, duh. We can just go like... Let's take this old wire out of here. We want to be safe with our wiring and run it the right way. We don't want to put it near any moving things. It looks like that is an old exhaust mount. So I'll bet you at one point this was a single exhaust and Grandpa got a little feisty. Said, hey, I want some duals on here. Which is fine. Wow, you just are just falling over all the time. Just pull this original stuff out of here. Oh, look at that. It had a plug. What do you know? All right. Does it have a plug on this side? Or is it just a rubber thing? Yeah, original plug. What do you know? So let's go ahead and use that original hole. We'll put some tape around that. Give it some protection from getting cut. So let's do it the right way. Pull this back through again. Because driving down the road, I will go, oh yeah, I remember. Made that shortcut on the wire. Routing. All right, let's move to the back. Oh, we've been falling over again. Well, doing the rear now. Yep. Man, there are so many extra lights added to this thing. Got to replace that thing too. I just want to show you. It's kind of the mess under here. You can kind of see that there's a lot of wires up here for just a marker light. So I need to sort all that stuff out. All of the original wire has been removed from underneath there, so well, I'm just gonna get to work. We are under the back of the truck now. Hello, giant rear end. Okay. We have our passenger side wiring completed. We have our main lights and our one running light coming along here. We can see we come under the hitch. And yeah, this is a little cobbled here, and that's because I have all of the lengths coming together and then an extra length, an open, just like that one there, just kind of open, allowing me to do the 7-pole. So that's tucked up under there, but there it is, the harness running back. And there's the one for the driver's side. We have finished our wiring, although it will be nice to take care of this. But I'm not going to do that just quite yet. And let's get out from underneath here, do some cleanup, and then see what's next. Okay, well, you've seen us do a bunch of wiring for the tail section. We've gotten our lights all wired up. Reverse lights, side markers. We haven't wired up our 7-pole yet, but we do have the parts for that, so we will do that pretty soon. I'm going to go ahead and call it quits here today. That's enough up and down off the ground for me. Thanks for coming by on My Yard is My Garage. I'm Bishop, your host. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit subscribe. If you want to be notified when I drop new content, hit that bell. Whew, what a day. Beautiful day, too. Thanks again for coming by, giving a hand. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think. It's not looking too shabby. Maybe we'll give it a roll over here pretty soon. What do you think? All right, we'll see you next time. Bye. Well, sure, my yard is my garage. However, this is part of a new garage. Not the Fury. Although that did cough up its very fancy V8 440 TNT for the Charger, which is back in the garage there. But yes, we have lumber. This is going to be great. It's going to be nice. We're going to have water. I got a faucet being fixed. They're going to run water all the way to the edge here. So at some point, we can have water service like a bathroom in here for our garage project. Then it'll be my garage is in my yard. I don't know. Comment down below, see if you got some ideas for me that you'd like to share.